Oh, yeah, the deal was bloody hot. There, the cats. Cats found a cool spot. Hey, Whiskers. Hey, Charlotte. Oh, little cutie. Hey, Whiskers. Doing cat? Look at Max's water, huh? Some of your water, huh? It's not your water, though, Jig. It's a dog's water, cat. That's Max's water, Whiskers. Yeah, I'll phantom load this against the other one because I don't think I got any spare power points here. I'll put them all in storage because I was going to wire it up directly to a load. But I'll do it the energy efficient way. I'll leave this here as a ballast because we can pop some stuff at some stage. So I'll keep a ballast here for things like that. Okay, I've got Highland's boots ready to work on this thing. I'm going to have to make an adapter for one of these wires to a spare scrap MoBo connector to go on this. Because I ain't going to use this to power anything. I want to keep the other adapter that came with this, so I'll just use this one to solder onto a MoBo connector loop so I can power its own bloody DVD drive. I boot Highland's boot CD. Let's see if this will actually help me find the drivers for this hard drive controller. So far so good. There we go, I can boot Windows XP so far at least, off the little Highland's boot CD. Let that load. Alright, it works. The next challenging part is getting the sound, once I get the driver, so the hard drive going and Windows XP going on this little machine. The next challenge is getting the right drivers. Now I think the sound, I'm not sure if it came with the sound drivers. Hopefully that CD that came with this has the sound drivers on it. I can't run a GPU in this thing because it won't fit the wrong slot, and if I did I think it would just go like the magic smoke out if I try and put an adapter on it. Big letdown. It'd be nice to put a bloody because I had a little 9400 NVIDIA 9400 GT from the Asus computer. Had HDMI and everything on it, but yeah, would have been perfect for this, but not designed for that, unfortunately, so I can't put a GPU on this thing. So gaming on this thing will be only limited. So I won't run anything too fancy on it. I can only run like Doom, as I said, old DOS games, stuff like Carmageddon 2, get those sorts of games will work on the hardware that's in this thing, and have the capability to run that. But as far as Doom 3, I don't think it'll run Doom 3 when it's onboard graphics. I might struggle to run that. Waiting for this to waiting for it to boot up, get to the desktop and can see what the drivers we need. So far so good. Alright, I'll download something off on the machine. Let's see if this works. Yeah, showing up. Get it loaded on the hard drive now. Oh, shut that down. I want to split the flash drive out because I don't add any more. That should be it. What's going on there? It's an Intel one, so it should be right. Okay, C, Intel desktop board. Ah. Why are you telling me that? Why isn't it running? This should be it here, because everything else I could find seems to relate to Intel with that board, so it looks like it's just a standard Intel motherboard. because Intel seems to be the base sole manufacturer for OEM computers, and they're leading edge computers. They're PCs at Intel motherboards. They just use Optima in particular, which is Optimum B, which is actually Samsung, but their boards are made by Intel. They use an Optima BIOS, custom BIOS on them. Was it working, or was it? Yeah. Yeah, what's going on there? Anyway, let's see if I get it to work. Ah, bugger. There's no HCI or SATA options on this thing whatsoever. It doesn't have any way I can the BIOS seems to find it though. It's all here. So what's going on? Find me master. The hard drive's actually there. It just doesn't want to read a drive for it. I can't. There's no option for it, because normally I should have this in the BIOS, SATA HCI mode, and change to IDE, but I don't have any of that on this motherboard. This is all it's got. So if this is all looks okay, I can pick the hard drive up. What's going on with my XP installation? It was working before. I changed the wiped the hard drive. Now it doesn't work. Hard disk types only, it's all I get. Doesn't give you much options here. That's all the options I've got is in here. This is all I got for the hard drive, it's just that. Nothing else. Not much of a help. First boot device. Well, it's obviously right there. That hard drive is still booted. And nothing for nothing to do with SATA on this thing at all. It worked before though, so something's changed. There's something different here. It's weird. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.